Molweni, manibulise kunini nonke. More great news that we are seeing during this transfer window. Indaba ezidlumzi, indaba ezikhuphisa amehlo. Okanye masiqale pha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have announced that they have acquired the services of Inacio Miguel. Inacio Miguel is a centre back that was playing for Petro de Luanda. They bought him there and he has joined the club on a 3-year contract. So the defender joins a list of the other 4 players that were signed before he was signed. So they got the services of Fiacre Ndwari, which was a goalkeeper from ETS Galaxy. They got Tubongani Sam from Orlando Pirates. They also got Gaston Serino from Mamelodi Sundowns, Rashun Dudley from Cape Town Spurs. So that was the last signing before they went for the centre back that they've got right now, which is an Angolan international. A player with loads of experience, can be very useful for Kaizer Chiefs, especially at the back, because he is a centre back with his leadership qualities and his experience, great style of play, and he knows the coach. As I'm hearing, it seems like they've worked together before. And then another top story that we have is the story of Cassius Mailula, Bati Cash No Deposit, Esmazi up in South Africa. Formerly played for Mamelodi Sundowns, moved over to Toronto FC. He has been signed by Wydad Athletic Club, which is now coached by Rhulani Mokwena. So that is a reunion there. So yeah, man, he's signed on loan with an option to buy. Stay tuned for more.